Okay, hi, I'm Shin, and today's first video. Today I will try to lift lower weight of this car a little. As I said in previous video, if you did watch the here or here, I'm not sure, you will have a link to this video. Yeah, so I will start from taking things from trunk. Alternator. Okay. Now I will try to take off seats. I was also thinking about take off a trunk, but later dust will go inside, so I decided to leave it. Just close it and leave it. And I was also thinking about taking off doors and just put here a cover, but also I decided no. First one. Wow, look at this, I didn't know. When you take off a seat and lower back it, lower down it, it's completely flat. It's so nice. You know, I can, for example, do a provisional bed here if I want to go on travel or something. Alright, but let's go back to the work. Alright, this is how it looks like after putting out seats and rear bench. And yeah, maybe I show you already or no, but if no, then I want to show you it now. Look at the floor, it's completely gone. And what is the worst, look at this. You know what part is it, right? If no, it's something like oh, I know how to say it. Whole car is mounted on this thing. I don't know if if there is a simpler explanation of that. Yeah, and to be honest, I don't. The car will be in worse shape because look, I can stand here. Here is soft, so probably also the floor is broken, and here you can see also. Oh, whoa, whoa. But they're probably dead. As you see, there's worms. Yeah, but oh, I'm not sure. You see this in the middle here at that mouse. Probably, or no, I'm not sure. Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah, it will be a lot of work. But for now, I'm so wet, I know. For now, thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave a comment like below. If you want more, just subscribe my channel. In the next week, we probably will try to take off the hood. Yeah. So, see you probably in the next week. Thank you for watching. Bye.